God is saying to you today, I am sending great change into your life. I have heard your prayers. I know your heart and I know you want better. I am sending better and greater your way. You have endured much in your life. People have walked away from you, judging you. But it only matters what I say you are, just on the path. I did not create you to be perfect. I created you to be faithful. God is saying to you today, I know you are tired. It seems like your struggles will never end. When you overcome one thing, another storm appears. You seem like you can not win for losing. Your faith is challenged every day. You often wonder, where is my God? Why is this happening? But I have not forsaken you. I am working on your behalf 24/7. Even when things appear to be getting worse, do not give up. Your breakthrough is coming. Type yes if you believe, and also subscribe God's Manifesto